Before trading cryptocurrencies, you need to buy cryptocurrencies first. On the Binance peer-to-peer trading platform, you can buy cryptocurrencies using multiple fiat currencies in various payment methods. It's super simple. Before we start, please make sure you have completed SMS authentication and identity verification. Now open the Binance app and log in. Click Buy from Vendors on the homepage to enter the P2P trading interface. On the Buy tab, select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. Let's take buying USDT with RUB for example. Choose RUB as the default currency. You can see various USDT advertisements posted by users or merchants. Pay attention to the available quantity and limit for each ad. Choose a seller you want to trade with and click Buy to place your order. Enter the amount that you want to buy. Let's enter 1000 RUB here. That means you will buy 1000 RUBs worth USDT and click Buy USDT. You have generated a USDT buy order. Then you will see the order details and the seller's payment information. Copy the payee information to make payment as instructed. Once the payment is made, click on Mark as Paid and then Confirm. The seller will release the crypto after confirming the payment is received, and then the status will be updated to be released. The transaction will be completed. You will find the cryptocurrencies in your fiat wallet. You can click Transfer to Fiat Wallet to transfer the fund and start trading crypto to crypto.